Got an old photo that's blurry, pixelated, or just plain messed up? Don't worry, you don't need Photoshop skills or expensive software. In this video, I'll show you powerful AI websites that can fix blurry, damaged, or low-quality images in just a few clicks, completely free or super affordable. Let's dive in. 1. Go to Remini.ai. Or download the Remini app. 2. Upload your photo, whether it's pixelated, damaged, or just low quality. 3. Hit Enhance, and let the AI do its thing. 4. Boom, you get a sharp, detailed version, with improved skin tone, lighting, and facial clarity. It's like having Photoshop skills, without ever learning Photoshop. Perfect for old family pics, blurry selfies, WhatsApp images, low-quality camera shots. Heads up! The free version has limited daily uses and adds a small watermark. For full power, you can try the premium version, but even free gives solid results. If you've got a photo that looks hopeless, Remini might just bring it back to life. So whether it's a childhood memory, a blurry group photo, or a pixelated meme, these 10 AI tools can bring it back to life. No downloads. No headaches. Just upload, enhance, and relive your moments. Like this video if it helped. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Website Hunter for more game-changing AI tools that solve real problems, fast.